perfect. I started a video right when you guys were like going at it. Yeah, it was funny. Say hi.
And you got him throwing the napkin.
I don't know about that one, but a teen.
Come here.
Not with that name, no.
Why no? Oh no.
Oops.
Look at Jen sprawled out on the bed. With her Snuggie. Just kidding, it's not a Snuggie.
Grasshopper thing.
What are you two kids doing over here? Ah! Ashley's dad's wedding, ladies and gentlemen.
Give it to me, I'll take it from you guys.
It's upside down. It's upside down. Flip it over. There you go. Oh!
Oh my god.
Do it again.
I can't.
Oh my god. This is gonna be like you're drunk or something. Give it back to me. Hey! Oh my goodness. She snorted!